Okay, so I got the front end off tomorrow. I mean, it was a pain in the butt. Tomorrow I'm gonna drill these out right here. Get those drilled out. I already got this drilled out. I'm gonna drill these out. It looks pretty bad, but I want to hit it with the pressure washer. I did grind all the way through that one, trying to get that. It was so rusted, trying to get it off. I've lubed everything down. I hit it with the power washer tomorrow, and start taking it apart, I guess. See, I still got to drill these guys out. I don't know if you can see them because it's kind of dark down in there. But yeah, we're gonna do that and start tearing stuff off the front end. We're gonna be able to get a full inspection of it then. And I got bolts coming so we can put them back in. Gotta weld that muffler up, get that taken back apart. I don't know if I'm gonna take these boots off. Probably. I mean, might as well take them off, clean them up, put them back on. Got some on the front too, because I want to paint the A-arms. I want to get it all real clean. My only concern is areas like this. That's not a rusted hole. That's just by design. Maybe I could fully weld it just to give me a little more peace of mind. But I don't know. We'll have to inspect it when it's completely disassembled, and we'll look over every part. I don't know if y'all are interested in that. Y'all let me know. Say something in the comments. Say, yeah, take it all apart, trash it, or you want to buy it right now for $700, because that's what I got into it. You know, I got new shock mounts and everything, so bolts. I mean, that doesn't even include all the lube I've put on this thing. Plus the car dollies that I bought. They're not really car dollies, but they work well for it. You know, so I'm just gonna throw up this little video, give you a little update. Y'all let me know what you think. Should I keep going or should I quit? I ain't gonna quit. I mean, if I have to scrap it for parts, I'll do that. Check these out. Cost me $100 for 2 rims because the front ones are shot. I'll probably paint them. So what do you guys think? I mean, y'all let me know if y'all are paying attention to this video at all. Should I paint them, the rims, Arctic Cat gray? Because I want to do highlights in that. So maybe the axles. Or should I do like a forest green on the rims, a glossy forest green, and then do I can't say it, a glossy forest green on the axles, or maybe the A-arms, and then paint the axles black? Or should I do gray and black? What do you think? Because I'm gonna buzz all that stuff down, and we're gonna see if the frame's okay, then we're saving it. I mean, I know it looks really bad, but I mean, again, most of that's just clear coat. I always do that, powder coating. So anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think, and maybe I'll take some of your ideas and run with them. We'll just see. Unfortunately, I've been looking at these tires. They probably have some use in them, but where they sat in the water, they're really cracked. They got some deep cracks in them. But let's see if I can see one. Yeah, like right here. Can you see how they're pretty cracked where they were flat? So might be depending on how far we go with this thing, I have to get some new tires too, I guess. So anyway, guys, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think.